Okay, so the thing is, right, I'm trying to automate something in Excel that's probably a bit tough for someone who have no experience in using Python programming language. All I know is how to print my name. That's all I know right now. And by just printing my name, right, the kind of project which I need to work on is hard. Is hard because I want to automate something which I can do personally easier, but it will consume time. Yes, it consumes time for me to take one data entry and paste it in Google Maps and take another data entry from cell B in Excel and paste it and calculate the difference. Then I use my human brain to just calculate the difference between, which is weird. Let me just stop it. Yeah, and call it a day. Well, yeah. So it's just hard. Let me not just stress myself with this one and do it manually. Then if I find ample time, right, I will try to, see how it goes with the Google API, but I don't want something that will cost me money, which I don't afford right now, because I've just got only £100 in my bank account, and it's weird. So let me not even think about it for now. So I will just do it manually for the meantime. Yeah. So what I can say, let me call it a day in the park and let me just go home, charge the computer, chill, maybe watch a movie or drink tea because I'm ready to cook. Yeah. Or go and buy McDonald's. Whatever. So yeah, but well, somehow at least I know I know what I'm searching right now. I need to search about the web scraper, and I need to also search about how to actually use the API from Google in Excel, right? Yeah. So I think someone out there in the world have created a video, because I cannot reinvent the wheel which exists. So there is a wheel outside there. Yeah, let me call it a day because I'm freezing out here. Ah, sheesh.